I want to share with you an important dua to make. And this dua perhaps could be said that it is the first dua Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam would make during the day. And he would make it in salat, and he would say it 10 times. 10 times he would say this dua. Allahu Akbar. So the hadith is narrated by Aisha radiallahu anha, and the hadith is authentic. She said, when Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam woke up in the last third of the night, or in the middle of the night, somewhere in the night, when he woke up, kabbar, he said Allahu Akbar, and then he would stand in prayer, kabbar. He would say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar 10 times. Then Hamida Ashran, he would say Alhamdulillah 10 times. Then he would say Subhanallah wa bihamdihi 10 times. Then he would say Subhan al-Malik al-Quddus 10 times. Then he would say Astaghfirullah. He would make istighfar 10 times. He would say La ilaha illallah 10 times. Allahu Akbar. Look at the introduction to such a powerful dua that he is just about to make. And all of this in his salat, the first dua he made in the day. Then he would say, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min dhiqi dunya wa dhiqi yawmi al-qiyamah. And he will say it 10 times. And then he would recite Surah Al-Fatiha. And then he would recite a surah, and he will continue his salat. The dua he made 10 times was, Oh Allah, I ask you to protect me from dhiqi dunya, from the tightness of this worldly life. What's the tightness of this worldly life? It's difficulties, it's sicknesses, it's illnesses, it's diseases. That's the difficulties of this life. When you have reached the point in life where when you breathe, it's like you're breathing from the eye of a needle. When your soul has become choked and it has become restricted. When your emotions are being pushed to the max and to the limit. When you cannot handle anymore, and you stand in between Allah's hands, meaning, oh Allah, give me relief, give me health, give me wealth, give me a job, give me happiness, tranquility, contentment. Oh Allah, open up these tight channels in my life. This is the time you make this dua, the first dua Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam made when he woke up. 10 times he'd repeat it. That's him, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. What about us? How many times are you supposed to repeat it in the day and in the night? And then he would say, وَضِيقِ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. So he'd say, oh Allah, protect me from the difficulties and the calamities of the afterlife.